Hey friends and families! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up themes in Hyper Terminal and how to get those really cool colorful texts, as well as plugins that I like to use, and hopefully you'll find it useful. So let's get started. The first thing that we will want to do is go to hyper.is and just simply download Hyper by pressing download Hyper. And once you have this downloaded, you'll be able to open up the Hyper Terminal as an application and see something like this. So let's go back to hyper.is and click on themes. So today we're just going to download the material theme. Click on that, and on the bottom click on install and copy the command. Let's go back to our Hyper Terminal and simply just paste in the command. Okay, now all we have to do is click enter, and it says material theme installed successfully, and we can see that the background color has changed. So by any chance you receive an error saying hyper command line not found or hyper CLI command line not working, all we have to do is go to plugins here and then hit install hyper CLI command in path. And what this will do is allow us to use the actual hyper CLI. So if I just type in hyper and enter, nothing will happen because we didn't specify an argument. So in order to find out what arguments exist, we can type in hyper. I believe it's help. So here's a list, and then we can check what version of hyper we are on, 3.0.2. Okay, that's good.